Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry that it's been a while. I got up early this morning. I've drove up to Yorkshire. I've come to see Malham Cove, Gordale Scar and Janet's Foss waterfall. I've never been up this way before really, so looking forward to it. What a fantastic morning. It's not that far of a walk today. I think it's like 5 miles circular, but there's 3 sights to see which I've never seen before, so I'm excited. I've only been walking about 5-10 minutes and you can see Malham Cove already there, so it's really close to the town if you want to see something nice but you don't want to walk too far. In the game. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've had a chance to get out to film a video, to be honest. Just had a lot on. It's great just to get outside though. I'm not gonna lie, I did struggle to get out of bed this morning, but now the sun's about to come up, it's definitely worth it. You can just see it, I don't know if you can see, but at the top of the cove there, the sun is just on it. I can't imagine the camera does it justice, but the sheer size of this is awesome. Check that out. I'm a bit confused to where the actual water's coming from. So there doesn't seem to be any waterfalls. I'm still confused as to where the water's coming from. Whoa. The sun's absolutely cracking the flags now. It's also raining quite a lot as soon as I took my coat off. Wow, look at that. I've never seen a rock formation like that before. It's very impressive. Gordale Scar next. Considering it's early January, it's surprisingly warm, to be honest. There's forecast rain in a couple of hours. I should be back to the car by then, so all good. I did plot the route on the OS app, but it's very well signposted, to be fair, so you don't really need it. Just coming up to Gordale Scar now. It looks amazing. Looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. Wow. So I got up very early this morning. Really didn't want to. It's totally worth it. I've got this whole place to myself. I don't know if you can hear me, it's very loud. It's a shame that there's not a pool at the bottom for a little swim. Slippery. That was pretty fantastic. I'm heading to Janet's Foss waterfall now. I can't believe there's so many fantastic spots in just a small circular, really. I've only been out, what, an hour and a half, something like that, and I'm nearly at the waterfall already. I feel like I just keep going, wow, but it is fantastic here. was an experience. So what's just happened is the only day I don't put my float on my camera, I knocked it straight in the waterfall. So I want to give a massive shout out to Amy and Callum, who I've literally just met, who just spent 15 minutes underwater with me. Well, not 15 minutes underwater, but 15 minutes trying to fish out my GoPro from a waterfall. What a great day, apart from the ending, but it still ended well because we wouldn't have any of this footage if we hadn't found the camera. What a great day it's been. Just heading back to the car now. Seems to be a huge incline. But yeah, seen some amazing sights. Had a bit of a scare losing the camera, but luckily found it again. Got numb feet, but hopefully walking up this hill's going to warm me up a bit. So I'm probably going to leave it there for today unless anything exciting happens, because this view is pretty good. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. I'm going now. I'm going to run to the car because it's freezing.